Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, you're highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Thank you so much for coming. Hope you hit the red button there and subscribe. So for today's video, I'm going to be baking bread, and this bread is going to be no knead bread because I'm not going to knead the bread. I'm only going to mix it thoroughly and then we'll bake it. So keep watching and see how I'm going to do this without so much stress. Yes, thank you for watching. I have here 3 cups of all-purpose flour, quarter cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, half a teaspoon salt, melted butter, some milk, some water. Then mix very well. All the ingredients used will be written down in the description box below, so check that. I'll be adding water to it little by little until I get the consistency I want. After mixing it thoroughly, I'll cover the bowl, keep it in a warm place, and allow it to rest for 2 hours. That will help it to set and also double in size. Ooh. Ooh. All I'll do now is just to press it down back and then transfer it into our bread baking pan, and I also allow it to rest again. Cover it with a clean towel and allow it to rest for more 15 minutes, and then we transfer to the oven. We'll get to that. I have greased the pan with some oil, so we'll now transfer the dough into it. I'm just spreading it to get to the edges of the pan. This is optional. You don't need to do it. I'm just using it because I have it and I like it, so you don't need it. Ooh. Ooh. It's ready to go to the oven. Can you see? This has baked for 40 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius. Hey, keep an eye on it because when I added extra 5 minutes to mine using only the top heat to get some crunchiness, something happened. The bread almost burnt. So don't be like me. Yeah, so that is it again for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your love. I really appreciate. Please help me share this video, share to your family, share to your friends. Let them start making their own bread, baking their own bread. It's so simple to make. So thank you all. God bless you. Bye-bye.